Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Meetup. I'll show you how to do so on both PC version and the app itself. Alright, first up, PC. Once you're logged in, just go head over to either connections or messages. For example, here I'm going to click on messages. And as you can see here, you should be able to see a ton of people right here if you have a ton of connections. Alright. Now, in order to block a person, just go ahead and tap on the three dots right here besides the name. Alright, tap on it. And as you can see, block is an option. If you click on it, there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to block the particular person? You won't be able to send or receive messages from that person. If you're okay with that, just hit on block. Now to do it on phone, just go ahead and open up the phone app. Now in here, just go ahead over to either connections and messages. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and go to messages right here. Tap on the person, again on the three dots, and hit on block. And here on the app version, as you can see, there will be no prompt. It will be automatic. All right. And that's basically how you block someone on Meetup. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.